That's from you, from Ate Nika. You open. Psh, rip it. Rip. Wow!
Mine.
That's from Ate Nika.
Tiki tape. Hey!
Hey! What is that?
Wow!
Dress! Ito yung nakita natin eh.
Another one.
Get another one. That's yours. From Dwayne and Dylan. That one.
There.
Yeah?
Okay, yeah. I think it's off.
That's from Dwayne.
Look.
From Dwayne.
And what's another name?
Dylan.
Dylan.
The baby. Oh.
Hey!
Woo!
What's it?
Pajama. How many? Oh, there's one more. Ah, ito. Ang ganda ng pajama niya.
Hey! Wow!
Wow! I love it.
It's another one, another one.
Oh, get one. This one. That's from Jerome and...
Look here, anak. Look here while you're opening. Turn around and face daddy.
Oh, that's candy.
Then there's not good.
No, it's not good.
Like on the bed there. Later we eat.
Oh, that's from... Oh, from Mommy and Daddy. Ah!
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
And Mommy.
But Daddy pay it.
Come on. Go. I think that's your favorite.
I think so too.
I think she's
she
gonna
will love
like it.
I think so too.
It's I love it. I think me love it. For Daddy. It's for Daddy.
That's from Daddy and Mommy.
Mommy, help her with that one. Let her take it from there.
What's that?
A doll.
What's that?
A doll.
Who? What's the
This
name?
one.
Show me.
Oh, pull. Pull. You have to pull the doll. Pull the doll. Who is that?
Oh, it's Jego. Look at him, it's Jego. You love Jego?
You can put her in the bed with you.
Yeah. Oh, you have no pillow. Oh,
You can
Jego
take him in the bed with you.
pillow. You like it?
Oh, the other one.
From Santa Claus.
That's from Father Christmas.
Father Claus Christmas.
For the Christmas. Thank you for the Christmas.
Oh, she's so sweet.
I'm so happy for my presents. With all my presents.
It's all your presents. There's more.
Oh yeah. That's for you there.
You can open it also.
Wow!
Wow! Wow!
What is
that's
it, Mommy?
Color.
Wow.
Wow.
Sulit yung 7 mo, no?
Oh.
That's fun.
That's okay. Open. That's for Mommy from Daddy. But you open
And
it.
fun Isabel too.
That's from Daddy and Isabel to Mommy.
Hey! Look. Hey!
Oh, I'll help you. Here. Oh.
Mami, remove the ano.
Oh,
Tanggalin mo si Jego sa kamay mo, hindi ka makakita ng
I
picture.
can do it. Oh.
Here, anak, you cannot do it there. Here. No, you have to pull it.
Look!
What is it? Pull.
Pull out, anak. That's it.
Wow!
Wow. Is it
A
nice, Mami?
carpet.
Or no?
A carpet, Daddy. A carpet.
You open it?
Everything mine. All mine. I
Get
love
that
it.
one.
This one, the big one.
Oh, watch out.
This big one. A big
Yeah.
long one.
Oh, slowly. Don't. This is, let's see. Where's the?
Game.
From Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
Oh. love you.
Thank you, Mommy.
Okay.
That's for you and me. Who eat? What's this one?
You have to see.
It's for Daddy.
That's for Isabel, I think.
Hey!
You have to open. Get inside.
Yes!
Wow! What is it?
Pillow.
It's very comfy.
Pillow.
You can put Diego and that one in your bed. Oh,
Here.
yeah.
There Diego, look.
Yeah, that's
Diego
Diego.
go.
Uncle Benito.
Do you love Jago? Do you love Jago Go?
Diego.
How about gift of daddy to you?
There's two more.
Hey, you don't make me.
There's two more.
Sige ng anak mo, no?
Ngayon na lang niya na-appreciate ng bukas-bukas.
It's better.
That's from home.
It's heavy. Pull.
It's for me. Her name.
From mommy's friend. From Santa. From mommy's friend.
Ang galing yan.
Sa ano yung trabaho? Yung aming monita.
Help her, mommy.
Here, sige lang.
Woo!
Ano to? Lagay.
Another present.
It's a box. Wait, anak. Let's open the box. Come on, open the box. Here, pull. We have to pull this one.
Hey!
Wow!
Hey!
Ba?
What is one? It's all mine. All mine.
That one.
Last one.
All mine.
That's from Daddy. Slowly, anak.
Who's that from?
From Daddy to Isabel.
Thank you, Daddy.
To my Princess Isabel.
I love you.
Look! A present. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, anak. Kung mo siya mag-appreciate, no?
What is one?
Your favorite, I think you will like
You
it.
will like it. I like it. Let's see. Let's open.
A sticky tape.
Sticky tape. Remove the
So
sticky
much
tape.
sticky tape.
Daddy did it.
Wait, anak.
Hey!
Just bag. Just bag.
No,
Toy!
no, it's a piggy bank, anak.
You put money in it, like this one, no?
You
Oh.
put money. You ask mommy for money and you
Then
put it.
you put it inside.
You let her put the like that.